Hi there! Today I'll show you how to use the monthly budget template, which can be purchased on our website SpreadsheetsHub.com. This template makes it simple to manage your finances, stay within budget, and achieve your savings goals more quickly. Before you begin, take a moment to review the instructions on the first page. They'll help you understand how the template works. In step 1, you'll learn how to define your key categories and input your budget. Next, we'll look at the tasks section and what you can do there. Then, I'll show you how to enter your current transactions. Finally, we'll go over the payment calendar and how to use it. To begin filling in the data, you need to specify the year, select a month, and select the main currency. Begin by setting up your main categories in the income, bills, expenses, investment, debt, and saving tables. Let's enter examples of income categories. And enter the budget amount. The actual data and progress refresh automatically, and the currency symbol is also applied automatically. Enter examples of bills categories. Enter the budget. And we enter the payment dates. Then, based on these dates, the data is pulled into the calendar. This information is added automatically. Entering expense categories. Enter the budget. Next, enter the categories for the investment table. Enter the budget. Enter the categories for the debt table. Enter the budget amount. And enter the payment dates. Enter categories for the savings table. Enter the budget amount. The model is in English by default, but if you want to translate the tables into another language, you can use our TranslateHub tool. It's quick, accurate, and super easy to use. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's get back to the model. To make things easier for you, the input cells are highlighted in light blue, and the formula cells that update automatically are marked in light pink. Please try not to edit the formula cells because that can mess up the calculations. Those formula cells are also locked to protect them. If you do want to change a formula, you'll need to enter your data, and then click OK when the message pops up. We can see that the formula has changed. In the Excel version, you can unlock the sheet without a password if needed, but we still recommend leaving the formulas as they are to keep everything working properly. Once you've set up your categories and budget, the next step is to move on to the transactions table. This is where you'll enter your actual budget data. In the table, you need to fill in all columns except the amount column, which is calculated automatically. Let's enter some transaction examples. The category drop-down menus are created automatically using the data from the monthly budget sheet. You can also specify transactions in any currency, and the amounts will be automatically converted to the base currency at the current exchange rate. Let's look at tables and charts that will help you analyze budget data. The cash flow summary table is updated automatically. This table can be used to compare the budget with actual data. This data can also be compared visually using the cash flow overview chart. The income distribution chart can be used to analyze budget distributions. The expense breakdown chart will help you analyze your expense structure. Please keep in mind that only transactions within the selected period are taken into account. If you had a transaction for another month, it will not be included in the analysis. Also, to avoid formula issues, please create a new Google spreadsheet for budgeting a different period instead of duplicating the simple budget sheet. Now, let's go to the task block. In the task table, you can specify a list of tasks for the current month and enter the dates for completing the task. Mark the completion. The progress chart is updated automatically. Next, move on to the calendar sheet. The data on this sheet is updated automatically based on data from the monthly budget sheet. To display the data, it is important to select the same month as on the monthly budget sheet. Payment dates are pulled from the bills and debt table. If the payment has been made, it will be marked with a check mark. This calendar will help you keep track of important payment dates. If you're using the Excel version of this report, we recommend using Excel 2021 or later to ensure all formulas work correctly. Also, please avoid opening the Excel file in Google Sheets. If you prefer working in Google Sheets, we suggest using the dedicated Google Sheets version of the report instead. Try it out by filling in your own budget. You'll see how simple it is to take control of your finances. The template is available for download via the link in the description. For more personalized solutions, our team can build custom tables tailored to any level of complexity. We also offer templates with resale rights, along with an open affiliate program for those interested. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.